In this video, we will discuss the detailed syllabus of agriculture of UPSC CSC optional subject paper 1. Hello everyone, my name is Samina. I am good and I hope you are also doing well. In this video, we will discuss the detailed syllabus of agriculture of UPSC CSC optional subject paper 1. Here are the topics. Let's have a look. UPSC CSC agriculture syllabus of paper 1. Number 1, ecology and environmental management. Number 2, cropping patterns and farming system. Number 3, forestry and agroforestry. Number 4, weed control and soil management. Number 5, farm management and economics. Number 6, agriculture and extension and rural development. तो गाइज ये 6 टॉपिक्स हैं. अब हम आपको ये टॉपिक्स डिटेल में बताते हैं. नंबर 1, इकोलॉजी एंड एनवायरमेंटल मैनेजमेंट. इसके अंदर आपको क्या क्या पढ़ना है? सबसे पहले आपको पढ़ना है रिलेवेंस ऑफ इकोलॉजी टू ह्यूमन लाइफ. ओके, देन आपको पढ़ना है सस्टेनेबल मैनेजमेंट एंड कन्वर्सेशन ऑफ नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज. देन आपको पढ़ना है फिजिकल एंड सोशल एनवायरनमेंट एज फैक्टर इन्फ्लुएंसिंग क्रॉप डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन एंड प्रोडक्शन. देन आपको पढ़ना है एग्रो इकोलॉजी क्रॉपिंग पैटर्न एज इंडिकेटर ऑफ इन्वायरमेंटल कंडीशन. देन आपको पढ़ना है एनवायरमेंटल पॉल्यूशन एंड हैजर्ड टू क्रॉप्स एनिमल एंड ह्यूमंस. देन आपको पढ़ना है क्लाइमेट चेंज इंटरनेशनल कन्वेंशन एंड ग्लोबल इनिशिएटिव. देन आपको पढ़ना है ग्रीन हाउस इफेक्ट ग्लोबल वार्मिंग एंड टूल्स फॉर इकोसिस्टम एनालिसिस रिमोट सेंसिंग. ओके, ये था आपका इकोलॉजिकल एंड environmental management. Then come on the second topic, cropping pattern and farming system, in which you have to learn cropping pattern in different agroclimate zone. Okay, you have to cover impact of high yielding and short duration. You have to cover this. Then varieties on cropping pattern, concept of cropping and farming system, then organic and precision farming, then package of practice for important crops, cereal, pulses, oilseed, fiber, sugar, commercial and fooded crops. ओके, क्रॉपिंग एंड पैटर्न मैनेजमेंट पैटर्न फार्मिंग सिस्टम में आपको ये सब कवर करना है. Then come on the third point, forestry and agroforestry, in which you have to learn type of forestry, plantation, social forestry, agroforestry and natural forest. You have to learn all this. Then propagation of forest, plant and forest products. Then agroforestry value addition and conservation of forest flora and fauna. You have to learn all these things. Then come on the fourth point, weed control and soil management, in which you have to study characteristic, dissemination and control of weeds. You have to study soil property, physical, chemical and biological, soil formation process and factor. You have to study soil fertility principle, testing, fertilization and recommendation. Okay, biofertilizer efficient phosphorus and potassium use. You have to study these. Then soil conservation, watersheds management, then dryland agriculture technology for rain-fed area and water use efficiency. Then come on the rainwater harvesting, irrigation, technique, drip, sprinkle and drainage. You have to study these. Let's come on the 5 point farm management and economics, in which you have to study farm planning, resources use and budgeting. Okay. Then economics of different farming system. Then you have to study marketing management, strategy and market intelligence. Okay. Then guys, you have to study agriculture price, policy and crop insurance. Then rule of cooperatives in the agriculture economy. Okay. Then come on the 6 point agriculture extension and rural development, in which you have to study importance and role of agriculture extension. Then evaluation method for extension program, socio-economic survey of farmers, agriculture laborers, training programs for extension worker. Okay. Then role of Krishi Vigyan Kendra in disseminating agriculture technologies, NGO and self-help group approach for rural development. Okay. Okay guys, it is the syllabus of agriculture paper 1. Okay. तो हमारे साथ वीडियो में बने रहें. अगली वीडियो में we will discuss paper 2. Okay. In the last, I want to say stay motivated, stay focused and all the best. Happy learning.